finally we can show off this incredible home in Sydney where detail is king.
Darren, this facade is an incredible statement.
Yep.
I have to ask you, I know you're an interior designer, do you have anything to do with this?
No, we didn't have anything to do with this at all, except for try to bring this into the inside. So one of the key philosophies of our studio is people in place. So what we try to do with every home is make the exterior and the interior work together. So to bring that cohesion. You know, the clients like coming home, so why not make this feel the same on the inside?
Well, I have a feeling I'm not going to want to leave by the end of today, so
I think you're going to be happy.
Please give me a tour.
Let's go.
Darren, you weren't wrong. Walking into the home, my first impressions are literally blown away. Absolutely incredible space, certainly incredible bones to work with.
Thank you.
Can you talk me through the journey over the last 6 to 7 years?
Yeah, sure. So 6 years ago, I received a text message one Sunday morning from Tony, asked if we did wine cellars, and the rest is really history. So we sort of started downstairs in the wine cellar. We moved into this area that we see now, which is sort of the public space of the property. So we've done the kitchen, the little intimate bar area, the dining area, Tony's study, the entry foyer.
And looking at the kitchen itself, I mean, you've really looked at a change of colour to almost alter, you know, the space of this area.
Yeah.
Can you talk me through the process in terms of the marble you've used and the colour choices?
So what we really wanted to do with this kitchen was ground it in the home. The exterior of the home already had this sort of moodiness and darkness to it, and we wanted to reflect that on the interior because the original interior had no reflection to that. So the stone here is sort of picking up on the slate on the outside, and we're bringing those grey tones together.
The sports bar.
Yes.
Absolutely insane.
It's awesome, isn't it?
I mean, to have 3 TVs is incredible, but the way the liquor just pops up.
Yeah.
Tell me more about your relationship with the owner and how important was that for him?
When we designed the wine cellar, we had a little area for whiskey. Now that area was never big enough. And what happened when we moved into here and we did downstairs, there wasn't a great deal of space for liquor. Tony likes a good gadget, and you know, we all, being blokes, we like something that's a bit of a wow factor. So we created this 5.5 metre long whiskey pop-up bar with the touch of a button. It all pops up out of the bench top, and it's a bit of wow factor.
Darren, a thing that does strike me when I see all the technology, the bar, the wine cellar, all this beautiful lighting and all the little pop-up open doors, is absolutely incredible.
Yeah.
The energy bills must be horrific. I know the guys have considered that. They have installed a large solar power system and a huge battery stack.
Yes.
My question to you as an interior designer, how do you feel about the aesthetics of the Anker SOLIX battery system?
Look, I love it. It's in the garage and the door closes and away it goes. But look, as far as batteries go, it is a really good looking battery system.
They've done an incredible job of, they've certainly picked one of the best battery brands in the world. And aesthetically, it's one of the only ones that is not white. So it really does complement the dark and moody tones.
It's good. And sitting next to what it's sitting next to, it looks great.
Well, you can't go wrong with that garage, can you?
No, you can't.
When Tony first came to us, the first thing that we do is we do an energy audit of his bills and what his consumption looks like. And then we have to design up the system. So for a home like this, it was really important that we got a system like Anker, where we can have big battery capacity to match the consumption for the property. This battery system is actually the largest Anker system in the Southern Hemisphere, with a total of 60 kilowatt hours. We had a 40 kilowatt solar system on the roof, so given the size of the solar system and the consumption for the property, it was only fitting that we put on a battery system as big as this. We love Anker for a couple of different reasons. So first is their technology. They've got multiple different products within their range. The new gateway you can see here, EV charger, and the batteries themselves. For us, being a coastal-based company, having a product that has a C5 marine rating to protect us against the corrosion from the salt air is really important. The power bills here originally around 8,000 before the solar went on. We got a huge reduction there when they came down to 8 to 3,000, but $3,000 a quarter is still a massive bill. So now with the new battery stack here, we're going to get those $8,000 bills, or what were, all the way close to very zero.
Darren, just when I thought I couldn't be entertained enough,
Yeah.
I walk into the outside and the entertainment area is to die for. Can you tell me what you've done out here? Because it looks beautiful.
A little bit of involvement here. We've redone the barbecue area. So again, it was white and a bit on the plain side. So we've, done some new splashbacks, redone all of the timber, fixed the barbecue at the bottom, and just added the timber slats at the top, again, to tie back to the front of the house, just to sort of make it all feel like it was always meant to be here.
Well, I know that you're not finished yet, and I know you've done the first 2 levels.
Yes.
Now you've got the upstairs to work on. So what's next?
We've just handed over the design for the private areas, which is the master suite, main bathroom, and the kids' bedrooms. That'll kick off in about 8 weeks' time. So yeah, watch this space. It's going to be that parents' retreat's going to be quite special.
Well, Darren, I'm hoping we're going to get an invitation, not just to stay here, but also to watch the football, but also to come and have a look at what you do in a few, maybe in a year's time or so.
Sounds great.
But Darren, thank you so much for the tour today.
Absolute pleasure.
The home is stunning.
Cheers, mate.